Hi, welcome back to Ijoma's Kitchen. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to be baking a bread. So guys, I'm going to be using the oven and the air fryer. So I've seen a lot of people bake bread with air fryer. So I just want to give it a go and see how it's going to come out. So I've already added 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar is optional, and 1 sachet of yeast. Remember, you can also mix your yeast with warm water before you add it on the floor. Next, I added salt on it, and then I'm going to give it a mix. Next, I'm adding 2 eggs and a warm milk. So egg is optional, milk is optional. If you don't have milk, you can also use water. I'm just going to give it a mix. Remember, when adding your milk or water, add it bit by bit to avoid adding more dry flour on the one you already have at hand. So I'm just going to mix it very well and then place it on a flat surface and mix it up properly. So once I'm done mixing up like this, next is to add butter on it and gently mix the butter into the flour properly. So this process takes time. At the start, it will look as if the flour is not coming together. But trust me, when you keep doing it, keep mashing it together, it's going to come around the way you want it. It's nice to use a non-sticking baking mat to mix your dough. It's going to help to mix it properly and it's not going to be sticking around everywhere. And it makes it easier for you as well. I bought this one in AliExpress. I bought it, I think, for $2.99. So guys, once I'm done mixing up like this, next is to put it in a bowl and then allow it to rise for about 45 to 50 minutes. So I'm not a professional when it comes to baking. I'm still learning. I just love to learn. Hopeful one day I'll become a professional. For those of you that will see this video and start complaining, I'm still learning. I'm a student, okay? Just like the video and support me. So I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is how it looks. It has already rise. So I'm just going to place it back in the flat surface and then cut it into 4 sizes, then mold it the way I want it to be and put it in the air fryer. So the first one I'm going to put in the air fryer. I just want to try the air fryer out and see how it is. A lot of people have been using their air fryer to bake bread. So I just want to try it and see how it's going to come out. So next, I'm going to cover it and let it sit for about 20 minutes before I put it in the air fryer. So guys, the leftover one, I'm going to put it in my baking pan and then bake it in the oven. I'm going to repeat the same process, fold it nicely because we don't want it to loosen up in the oven. So next, I'm going to place them into the baking pan. So guys, I bought this baking pan in AliExpress as well. I bought this baking pan for $5.99 and the delivery was very quick. And the baking pan is very, very nice. It's good for baking. So I'll put it there, cover it for another 20 minutes before I put them in the oven. So after 20 minutes, this is how it looks. The dough has rised again. So this time around, I'm going to put them in the oven. So I'm just going to quickly apply egg whites around it. The reason for this egg white is to make it shiny. after baking it. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to put the baking pan in the oven and then the air fryer pan into the air fryer. So in the air fryer, the baking part is 22 minutes, while the oven, I'm going to set it for 20 minutes. So let's see how it's going to come out. So guys, look at it. The air fryer, I baked for 22 minutes, but I did not finish the minutes because I noticed that the bread is already getting burnt. While the oven, I baked for complete 20 minutes. I noticed that the air fryer, the bread did not bake properly, but it got burnt at the top of it. So I don't know how these people do it, that they bake with their air fryer and it comes out nice. So I have to put the bread back in the main oven to bake it properly. So guys, after baking the bread, this is how the bread looks. Homemade food is the best for me. It really came out nice. No different with the one you buy in the market. So guys, let's try the bread and see how it looks. Soft on the inside. No different with the ones you buy in the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave good comment and share the video, okay? And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and let's become friends. See you all on my next one. Bye.
The Pope takes a poop and the president too.